Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. As you can see, I have the default clock here. To customize your iPhone clock widget, long press and hold the clock icon. A menu will pop up. Make sure you're holding, not just tapping, or it'll just open the app. Once the menu appears, you'll see options to change the clock style. You can select a larger clock widget like this one for better visibility on your home screen. Now, if you want even more iPhone clock customization options, long press anywhere on the home screen, tap Edit Home Screen, then click the plus icon at the top. Search for clock or find it in the widget gallery. Here you'll find multiple clock widget styles, analog clocks, digital clocks, world clock widgets, and more. Select the iPhone clock design you prefer and tap Add Widget. You can resize your widget, remove the old one if you want, and rearrange it however you like. To edit again, just long press the widget, tap Edit Widget, make your changes, and hit Done. That's how you change and customize the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS tutorials.